It's Aldi time.
This is a nicer Aldi.
Yeah, this is. This one's nice. We gotta find where their Aldi finds are. We're at a different one today. And I have the newest Aldi find fan.
Yeah.
2 foot flocked. $9.99. Snow globes. Do they play music or anything like that? Yeah, they do. Oh my goodness, they're only $7.99.
I twisted it the wrong way. Don't shake it too hard. Hold both hands when you do this.
Yes. They have this silver one right here too. Tree. Remember when silver trees were in? Back in the late 80s, early 90s? We had a silver tree. Did y'all ever have a silver tree?
No, we didn't.
They've got these little bottle brush trees.
This one here is probably a safer one here.
Oh yeah. It's a candle.
Oh,
it's
it is?
Much safer, yes.
Snow globe candle. There you go.
Coffee mugs. Pink trees. Pink is a big deal this year with Christmas. Somebody was telling me that in the comments last night too, that they had their Christmas stuff, lots of pink. See, we have a pink tree right here. Cookie jar. Or this purple gingerbread house cookie jar. Or the brown one. I like the brown one. And they have a green Christmas tree, $12.99. Light up presents. Those are pretty. I don't know how much they are. The tag's wrong down there for them. Holiday garlands. See, more pink. And these little pillows. They have the candy canes, peppermints, presents, and bows. They have pink candy canes this year. How much are the pillows? $4.99? Yeah, $4.99. And throw blankets.
Yep.
I'm gonna get, I know Sissy would want that pink candy cane. These are cute. More pink candy canes.
You found them like that.
Yeah. And then they have a nutcracker one. And snowflakes. They're $3.99.
This is for what, a sugar pot?
It's
got a spoon
yeah.
in it.
Oh, it's got the spoon in it?
Yeah, it's got the spoon.
And a pink one. There's a pink one back there.
You can get your spoon with that.
Yeah. These are all candles. Frosted pine and eucalyptus. What's the pink one? Muddled raspberries and cherries. Peppermint twist. They have gingerbread house sugar pots too. I just saw something else back there. Pink Christmas tree measuring spoons. Back here, oh, they have gingerbread house ones. They're $5.77. Oh, little canvas bins. It's a 2-pack for $8.99. Of course, they have a pink one. And then they have white with pink candy canes. And back here, Christmas trees. Pink ones, green ones. They're $8.99 for the 2-pack. Oh, I bet these are pretty. I like this church one. It's missing the little thing. Here's one. I see that one. Will this one work better? Oh yeah, look at that. That's pretty. $14.99. Look, Daddy, here's your some pants. Look, you can roll them up and have a little, they're lined. They're lined for you. Socks.
What are they doing with this, do you reckon?
Wearing them? What do you mean?
I mean, have they always sold pants?
No, it's just always different things. You never know what you're gonna find. I need some socks for Manly. Here's some good ones, dinosaurs and different things like that.
I like them. I wouldn't get them in my size. We'll all wear them.
Yeah.
Well, that's what we do.
Got some flannel shirts right here for $9.99. Pocket umbrella. That's neat. You can put it in your pocketbook. Mixers for $49.99. They have a green one. Snackle boxes for just $6.99.
What is it?
It's a snackle box. Manly has one that has a dinosaur on it. It's just a little, kind of like a little lunch box, but it's a snackle box.
Saw here.
Oh yeah, pole saw. $59.99.
This is a nice Aldi here.
Yeah, this one's a little bigger.
Yeah. Actually, a more lively feel in here for some reason.
Yeah, it's the floors.
These floors are here lively.
Oh, there's a little light. It's a motion sensing cabinet light.
Okay.
Oh, kitchen towels. You're not gonna believe the color of the one behind here.
Pink.
I like pink. I just don't know if I'm into having a pink Christmas.
No.
Pink Panther does.
When it comes to Christmas, for me, I like traditional
Yeah, I like
stuff.
traditional. Now, Sissy does. Sissy loves pink. That's why I'm getting her the pink candy
Me,
cane.
I like white.
Her room is pink
lights.
Christmas.
I like old-timey Christmas is what I like.
Mini bagel sandwich crackers, blueberry cream cheese, and everything. Seasoning.
Look at this. Now, I told you this the other day. Well, no, I said a pie, didn't I?
Yeah.
This was a pumpkin hot cocoa bomb, is what this is.
Peanut butter and jelly trail mix.
If you're looking for some pumpkins, they got a lot of pumpkins.
Fluffernutter. Oh yeah, they got
They
pumpkins.
got a lot of pumpkins over here. See? Good pumpkins.
Oh yeah. They've got the pumpkin ice creams, pumpkin cranberry muffins. I bet those are good. Pasta pockets, pimento and truffle. Sausage and cheese breakfast pizza. That's new. Cooked pork belly crumbles, cooked bacon, pepper and onion breakfast pizza. Oh look, they have a pumpkin pizza. Mushroom, mozzarella, and mascarpone. If you like mushrooms, I bet that one's good. Blueberry streusel dessert pizza and apple back there. Pumpkin spice ice cream sandwiches. We tried those. They're great. They also have caramel apple mochi and pumpkin spice. Do we want to try the caramel apple or the pumpkin spice? Pumpkin spice? Okay. Pumpkin spice.
They're good.
Yeah, these things are really good. The mango ones are my favorite.
I've never had one with a cup of coffee.
The kids love the strawberry ones and the cookies and cream. Here you go. I know they're gonna be good. I don't even have to think about it or whatever.
Good, really good. Anything makes you laugh right after.
It's time to cook supper. It looks like it's 6 o'clock out there, but it's not. It's only a little bit after 4. Tonight I'm making a cheeseburger hash brown casserole, and I also have a lot of broccoli cheddar soup left over. So some of us want broccoli cheddar soup. Those who don't, I'm making the cheeseburger hash brown casserole. So I'm putting some ground beef back here in the pan. So since we have the soup left over too, I'm not gonna do a 9x13 of this hamburger hash brown casserole. I'm just gonna do an 8x11. Something sticky is all over the floor right here. I don't know what that is. I'll have to mop after supper. I'm gonna go ahead and spray the casserole dish real quick. I've got about 1.5 pounds of ground beef in there. Did you close out your state lesson a minute ago, Manly? Okay. He was doing more schoolwork just for fun this afternoon because it was raining outside. Since he couldn't go outside, he was like, can I do some more of my stuff just for fun? Okay, so we'll just let that cook. We need 2 eggs. We need 1 cup of milk. Okay, we just need a little bit of salt and pepper. About 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. And that's it for that. The ground beef is almost done, so I'm gonna drain it. Okay, we got the ground beef drained. I'm gonna add in 1 can of diced tomatoes with green chilies and drain it real quick. All right, we're gonna put in this 8-ounce block of cream cheese. We're just gonna mix this until the cream cheese melts in. Smelling like it could be a wonderful dip right about now. We're putting the hash browns into the bottom of the casserole dish. We just need about 15 to 20 ounces of hash browns. This pack is a 26-ounce pack, so we're not going to use quite all of it. I think that's good right there. We're going to put the meat mixture over the hash browns. Now we top this with some shredded cheddar. Now we pour over the milk mixture. That's it. It's going in the oven at 350 for 45 minutes. While that's cooking, we're gonna make peanut butter oat balls because, believe it or not, these folks still want more peanut butter oat balls. They are not tired of these things yet. It's almost like a creamy shepherd's pie to me.
Maybe better than shepherd's pie. You know, it's got that cream cheese.
Yeah.
It's great.